Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that could write, optimize, and publish SEO-friendly content in minutes? Well, your wish just came true. If you're a blogger, marketer, or copywriter, you know how exhausting content creation can be. Finding keywords, writing engaging articles, and optimizing for SEO, it's a never-ending struggle. Today, we're exploring Abun, an AI-powered content generator that takes care of everything from keyword research to ready-to-rank articles. No matter your experience level, this tool will help you boost rankings and traffic effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how Abun works. What is Abun? Imagine having an AI-powered content assistant that researches keywords, generates SEO-friendly articles, and publishes them all in just a few clicks. Abun is an all-in-one SEO writing tool designed to help bloggers, marketers, and copywriters create high-ranking content effortlessly. With Abun, you can find low-competition keywords, generate engaging SEO titles, and create fully optimized articles with internal links, images, FAQs, and meta tags. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and Shopify for direct publishing. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to high-intent organic traffic. Abun does it all. Limited-time lifetime deals on AppSumo. Grab yours today. Normally, this kind of AI-powered SEO tool would cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually, but thanks to AppSumo, you can grab a lifetime deal at an insane discount. Let's check out the pricing. License Tier 1, $69, originally $882. Offering 30 articles per month, publish on unlimited websites, auto internal and external linking, AI keyword research, and factual data. License Tier 2, $179, originally $1,485. Offering 125 articles per month, everything in Tier 1 plus more advanced AI features. License Tier 3, $409, originally $4,320. Offering 600 articles per month, everything in Tier 2 plus maximum AI capabilities. This is a one-time payment, no monthly fees, ever. And the best part? You get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. 6 most important features that make Abun special. AI-powered keyword research. Stop guessing. Abun analyzes search volume and competition to find the best keywords for your niche in seconds. Smart SEO-optimized titles. Crafts compelling headlines that are proven to rank, no more boring titles. Full-length SEO articles in minutes. AI writes engaging, informative, and SEO-rich content instantly, complete with images, tables, FAQs, and summaries. Direct publishing to websites. Integrates with WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and Shopify, so you can publish without copy-pasting. Auto-optimized for SEO. Abun automatically adds internal links, featured images, meta descriptions, and external references, saving you tons of time. Multiple export formats. Download your articles in Markdown, HTML, or PDF for seamless content management. People who can benefit from Abun. Bloggers, SEO specialists, copywriters, affiliate marketers, business owners, e-commerce stores, digital marketers. Do you fit into any of these categories? Or know someone who does? Abun is made for you. Maximize your savings, extra 10% off at AppSumo. Want an extra 10% off on top of this already insane deal? Yes, it's possible. Here's how to claim it. Visit the Abun Lifetime Deal page on AppSumo. Wait for a small discount pop-up to appear. Enter your email. Use the same email when making the purchase. Boom! Extra 10% savings. Savings on savings, don't miss out. Reviews that Abun Lifetime Deal on AppSumo gets. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Once this lifetime deal is gone, it's gone. So, if you want to write SEO-friendly content in minutes, rank higher on Google effortlessly, save time and money with AI-powered automation, then Abun is the tool for you. Check the description for the AppSumo link, explore the features, and grab your lifetime deal before it's too late. See you in the next one.